Hello everyone, welcome to softwaretestinghelp.com. This is again Gayatri Subramaniam on the topic Demystifying Devops on part 3, block 3. In the just before previous video, we learned about the continuous delivery approach and its benefits. In this block, let us learn what is continuous deployment and how it is different from continuous delivery. And also we will understand the continuous testing and continuous testing pipeline in DevOps in the next video. Here now I want to introduce another term of DevOps, that is continuous deployment, which should not be confused with continuous delivery because both the short forms are CD. We already know what is continuous delivery. And just to recollect, continuous delivery or CD is the process of delivering the software or software updates to the production in smaller increments, ensuring that software can be released anytime to the production. So it is an automated deployment pipeline with both automated and manual gates in between. Now let us come to continuous deployment. Continuous deployment is also a continuous delivery pipeline, but without any manual gates. No manual gates in between. I mean, no manual gates or no manual intervention from the initial code commit to till the code is into the production. The picture in the next slide will explain you the continuous deployment pipeline more clearly. As you see in this diagram, which is same as the continuous delivery pipeline, there will be a build trigger here, followed by the code check-in, automated compilation, build, unit tests, deployment, and other automated tests till the deployment to the production. Here, I won't call this as release to the production, but deployment to the production, which I'll explain in a little while. So there are no manual testing phases here in this case, which is shown as automated. No manual testing phases or manual approval gates, or in other words, no manual intervention at all in a continuous deployment model. So no manual testing, no manual approval gate at all in a continuous deployment model. This happens mainly in a matured organization and in case of delivery or updates of a matured products where DevOps practices are established very well, and hence just automated delivery pipeline is sufficient enough to take care of quality, and no manual testing and manual quality gates are required. However, feature toggles are necessary for continuous deployment, though it is present in both the models. Okay, so feature toggles are very essential for continuous deployment, and especially for continuous deployment pipeline. The feature toggles avoids any risk of failure of the feature functionality in the production by switching off the deployed feature by default in the production in case of continuous deployment model. So this feature flag ensures that all the features that are deployed onto the production can be turned on or off based on the requirement, and hence need not be immediately released to the end users. Hence, I said earlier, continuous deployment need not be necessarily a release to the production. So this option of continuous deployment is used in deploying certain time-bound features. To give an example, a value-added service after a service offer of a mobile operator to the customers during Christmas can be deployed via continuous deployment model to the production anytime, so that the feature or value-added service packages kept ready on the live and opened up during Christmas or at midnight of New Year through a feature toggle. And this feature can be opened up in production during wee hours or sleeping hours and safely be turned on to end users later during the day after ensuring that the feature is working fine. Basically, it's like deploying the code or a feature to the production, but not running the code until it is the right time or team makes a decision to release the code or feature. This option allows turning on the feature to certain set of users or certain geography or even to a certain particular customer side or for internal employees for initial evaluation and feedback, and later on can be open in wider area or for more number of users. People also refer DevOps practice as CI/CD model, where CD refers to continuous delivery and continuous deployment. This is about the continuous deployment. In the coming video, we will learn about continuous testing and continuous testing pipeline. Thank you for listening to me.